No shade on soft soap, sorry. But Native, the fragrance, the smell, knocking her out the park. Like, ladies and gentlemen, this is Amber coming to you with the Frag View, coming to you with another video review. And today, this video is for my hygiene lovers. Just straight up. This is for my hygiene lovers. If you like some body wash, you have stopped by the right place. Because that's what we're going to talk about. Okay? So, if you're interested, just keep watching. Hello, family. Welcome back. Hey, welcome back, family. Hey, and if you are new to this channel, my name is Amber. And on this channel, we talk about fragrances and body care. And we sip a little tea from here and there. Your sis go left, but it's okay. Just join the family. Subscribe. Give me the thumbs up. Comment down below. Would love to get to know you. Would love to meet you. And hey, family. Hey, welcome back. I hope you all are doing well. We are going to get right into it, honey. Your sis been on a kick. I know. I'm always on some type of kick. Okay. Don't talk about yourself, sis. You just, I know. But we're going to get into some hygiene. And some of you all might be interested. I hope you all just still rock with me. And some of you all be like, oh sis, I want to hear about fragrances, but honey, this time we want to talk about some body wash. So let's get right into it. I got, new to me discovery. And you all might know about this. You know, I don't know. If you do, just comment down below. Let's chat it up. Let's talk. But it's called, I believe, Cremo. Okay? I don't know if you all have heard of this brand, but this is the coconut and tea tree. Okay, hear me out. This is in the male section at Walmart. I know, this is a male body wash, but hear me out, sis. Hear me out. Have y'all smelled this? Honey, the tea is
everything top for tea.
Honey, why does it smell like Tom Ford Soleil Blanc? Eau de toilette, probably eau de parfum. Like, smells just like Tom Ford Soleil Blanc. Ain't lying? Honey, smell it.
Yes, smell it.
I want y'all to smell it and tell me this thing don't smell like Tom Ford Soleil Blanc. It do. Get this, sis. I know. It's in the male section. I know. You like, oh, sis, like, what you got me doing? Just smell it. You know you in Walmart. In Walmart, look to the sections. Go and find the coconut, tea tree. Smell it. And I bet you're going to add to your basket. Because I did. I cannot wait. I just had to come on. Like, I was like, I have to come on and tell my family. Like, males, is this what y'all smell like? Honey, this is good. Okay? I might have to get a backup. I just got one because I just don't know how it's going to do with my skin because it was on the male section. But I hope it does my skin really good. But amazing. Okay? I gotta make me a whole TikTok, Instagram, TikTok on the TikTok. Like, I have to. This is good. If this is not hyped up yet, honey, I don't know what people waiting on. Pick this up. Pick it up. Let me know your thoughts. Tomato, same thing. Moving on. Next up, I have a video coming up for you all because I have purchased the entire new Native holiday season, Christmas season body washes. So I'm going to do a video so we can test them out together, see what we like, what we don't, or what I like, what I don't, what I would purchase, what I wouldn't. But honey, they came back and brought sugar cookie. You can't see it because it's white packaging. I'm sorry. But they brought back sugar cookie this season. And if you don't know about sugar cookie, well, let me tell you. This is a whole cookie. Sugar cookie. It is so good. And it is very heavy on the fragrance. Like, you all know how I am. I like a heavy, hit you in the face. I like to smell my body wash, but it's still being gentle to my skin, right? But I love to smell it in my shower, smell it when I'm stepping out. This is amazing, okay? Don't just grab one. Grab 2, 3. Just grab you some. Because it is affordable. This is what it came in last time. This time they have the bigger body wash bottle. I am so excited. Of course, I purchased 2. You know. But I am excited that they brought this back around. Now, what I am disappointed, we'll get into it, that they did not bring back the macaroon. It was like a cherry macaroon smell. I love that one. And I'm so mad I did not get it back up because I thought that that is the best cherry fragrant body wash I've ever smelled. Oh my gosh, it was amazing. But it's gone, and clearly they're not going to bring it back this season. Hopefully they bring it back next. But either way, pick this up. If you see this at Walmart or Target or wherever you would see this, pick this up. Very good. And comparison to, let's talk about it, Softsoap. The new Softsoap, they have a sugar cookie smell. No shade. No shade on Softsoap. Sorry. But Native, the fragrance, the smell, knocking her out the park.
Now, did you at least pinch the...
Like, where's she at? Okay? Native, like, where's she at? What did you smell? Like, what did you do? I don't know. Like, Native is coming with power. Okay? Softsoap, nah. This is sugar cookie. This, she okay. Yeah. Again, y'all know how I am. I like a big fragrance, and she ain't doing it. But I got her a little tester, but through, like, I could smell. Get this. Nah. Okay. Moving on. I went to TJ Maxx recently and I was smelling some of their body wash. Well, they have this brown butter cookie. I've never heard of this. Why pick up this big old, like, I don't know. This is going to last me a time in the season. But this is amazing. Okay, this has butter, brown sugar, vanilla extract, which is heavy on the heavy. Like, melted butter. Like, this is good. So if you see this at TJ Maxx, if you like a cookie crumble, a brown sugar cookie type of scent, get this. This is good. I cannot wait to use this in the shower. And sometimes philosophy to me is a hit and a miss. This smells like a hit. So I'm excited. Moving on. We have Caress. Anybody like Caress? Any Caress lovers out there?
Before you dress, caress.
Honey, we got the Shea Butter and Brown Sugar exfoliating one. Okay? I think it was like the Shea Butter or Cocoa Butter or something like that I was not a fan of. But this, look at me making a mess. Look, I made a whole mess. That's okay. It's okay. But this is good. And it's an exfoliating, so it can just make sure your skin is nice and soft, and I'm excited. This smell is so good as well. honey, I'm about to be delectable, delicious all fall season. Y'all ain't gonna be able to tell me nothing, okay? Y'all might need to just tell your sister, go sit down somewhere.
Just sit down somewhere, girl. I'm not about to be part of this.
Okay. All right. Moving on. A repurchase that I picked up from TJ Maxx was Kopari. If you all see this, pick this up, okay? This is what this looks like. If you can see it, probably not because it's white. Anyway, this is the Coconut Latte Body Wash. This one has also the exfoliating beads in it. Honey, when I tell you again, this is my second one. I got my life. When I went to Detroit recently, this is what I brought with me because for a body wash, because it wasn't going to take much space with me traveling just because of the size. Honey, this is a whole $8.99. Pick this up. You probably can find it even cheaper. On some places, y'all TJ Maxx be good to y'all. In Tennessee, not always, not so much. But this is so good and the smell is amazing. And it did not break me out. My skin did well. It felt so soft. This is a good one. And Kopari is a really good facial and body wash type of like, get your life with some Kopari. If you see that, I would pick it up. Like any melts that you see, any body butters that you see from Kopari, that's in TJ Maxx or Marshall's, pick it up. The brand is amazing. Trust me, brand's amazing. Moving on. Next up, my sis, family member, okay? She put me on this. Honey, thank you, sis, okay? And you know who you are. I don't know if you want me to call you out, but honey, the truth. Macadamia, honey, from Ulta. She was like, sis, pick this up because I was already familiar with frosting. Now, if you're not up on frosting, go get you frosting because frosting is the cake frosting of the cake season. Like in body butter at Ulta and in body wash, anything that frosting comes in, you need to have if you like a frosting smell. If you like a cake of the cake smell, that is your girl, okay? Beautiful. I already have that body wash, but I never even thought about getting this. Honey, I smelled her. This little caramel bomb. Y'all better get this. Ooh, and I'm making a mess again. But y'all better get this. This is, when I tell you, so gourmand. And I'm about to do some layering. Honey, I'm about to come with the videos. And I got a good one for you all. I hope you all like it. It's coming up. But she gonna be a part of that video. So good. So good. Get you that. If you like a caramel, fragrant type of it just moisturizes your body, doesn't leave it dry, and it lathers amazing. Get you this. Especially if Ulta has a sale. Pick that up because it's part of their collection. Okay? Moving on. This is going to be real quick because who don't have this? Hands. Who don't have this? And if you don't have this, why not? Because it has to be because you don't like a coffee smell. That has to be it. Like, I had backup on top of backup of this. Like, I'm ready. Every time fall ends, fall come back around, we always got her. Okay? And, and this is from OGX. This is the coconut and coffee scrub and wash. Very good. Okay? Fragrant, yes. Exfoliating, yes. It's going to scrub. It's going to make your whole shower, out of shower experience. If you like a coffee smelling fragrant, if you have a coffee fragrant that you're trying to do a whole combination, start with this. If you got amber, midnight amber glow from Bath and Body Works, you can put this with your midnight amber glow moisturizing body wash and your body spray and be about your business. Because this is the business, okay? Get your life with that. If you don't have this, please get your nose on that and see if you like it. But that is amazing. Okay, Almost done. Have 2 more. Being Frenshe, okay? Cashmere vanilla. This is what it's in my shower now. It's almost gone, right? Honey, this lather for me got my life. I love the lather on this, okay? I've never heard of Being Frenshe. I don't know nothing about this product. I got it from Target. But this is so good. And you know what? It does give me a cashmere vanilla scent, okay? The vanilla is in it, but this cashmere type of scent, it's almost like a spicy type of vanilla. I can't explain it, but this is really good. Those that like a good lather type of body wash, or you like something that might not be as heavy, but still it serves well, this is a good option. Like the vanilla is not very heavy, but you can smell it and it does smell amazing. Highly suggest this, okay? Get your nose on this. Now through the bottle, through the packaging, you might not be able to smell it heavy. And you're like, sis, that ain't so. But once you get this in shower, I promise you, this is a good one. I would repurchase this, okay? This is gonna be in my empties video, but this is a repurchase, okay? Just letting you know that tea right now. And last but certainly not least, we have Soap and Glory. Honey, you can get this from Walmart now. You can get this from Ulta. But this is the almond and vanilla body wash, okay? Now, hear me out, because this is not going to be as fragrant as, let's say, macadamia. Let's say, definitely not holding a tea to native sugar cookie. It's not going to be as fragrant as that, but it does give you a hint of vanilla, and it almost gives you like a smooth almond. I don't even know if that makes sense, but it does not give you this heavy punch. So I would try it, right? Get your nose on it. Soap and Glory does bath products well, okay? I've never had any problem with them for my skin. If you have, then steer away from this. But if you haven't, Soap and Glory is really good, and this is a great scent for the fall. This would pair very well with some of your fall fragrances, some of your vanilla fragrances, even some of your almond fragrance. But again, that almond note is very smooth and kind of like, it sits in the background, okay? And I mean, this all together kind of, it's not my norm, okay? But I do have days where I'm like, let me test out some Soap and Glory, because sometimes they do have, we'll get into that on my empties, because they do have some body washes that knock you in your face, but this is a little bit more smoother, but I would highly recommend for the fall, okay? Well, that is all, family. That is all for this show and tell, I will call it. And if you are a hygiene lover, I hope that you appreciate it. Maybe you compare this with some of your fragrances, or maybe you will get this, okay? Get that before it sell out. Well, that is all, family. That is all. Please subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you, would love to meet you. And until next time, you all be good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yo sis just did. Bye, family. Love you. Bye.